Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I will guide you on how to fix the Claude app not downloading issue. So if the Claude app is stuck downloading, not installing or not downloading at all, just follow these simple fixes. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is working properly. If the internet seems slow or unstable, try switching from Wi-Fi to cellular data or from cellular data back to Wi-Fi. After that, make sure you have enough iPhone storage. To check that, you need to go to Settings and then General, tap on iPhone storage. If your storage is full, try deleting unused apps, photos or files to free up some space. You should also check if your iPhone software is up to date. For that, you need to go back to General, click on Software Update. And if there's an update available, install it. Now open the App Store and try downloading the Claude app again. If it's still not downloading, you need to sign out and sign back into your Apple ID. For that, you need to go to Settings. Tap on your name at the top and scroll down and tap Sign Out. Then sign back in and try downloading again. You can also try restarting your iPhone. A quick restart can fix small App Store glitches and download issues. Lastly, check if the App Store servers are having problems. Sometimes downloads may not work because of temporary server issues. So yeah, those were some easy ways to fix Claude app not downloading problem on iPhone. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and thank you for watching.